Hello, this is Sandy here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a thrift haul. So I've been back thrifting again, which is something I love to do. So let me get right into it and show you what I picked up on this particular trip. Now I like to refer to my thrifting as thrifting with a purpose, so I don't just pick up items that I can't visualize exactly what it is that I'm going to do with it. So with that said, I picked up this piece here, and what I'm thinking of doing with this is I may keep it the same color, which is kind of like a greenish grayish type of color, and it's metal, but I may spray paint it black because what I visualized for this piece is to do a floral arrangement in here. So I'll take a piece of foam and put it in here, maybe one a little bit smaller than this, and I want it to be a black and white piece. So I went to Michael's, they were having 70% off. So I got a bunch of white flowers. They didn't have any black, so I still have to get the black that I want to go in here. But I picked up quite a few from the 70% off rack, and my thinking is that I will be arranging these in here for a black and white centerpiece for a tablescape or entryway or something like that. So this piece here was $4.99, and then I went on the discount day, so everything that I purchased was 25% off. So I thought this was a great deal. This is in really good shape. I love the shape of the feet on here. I just thought it was a cute piece, and you could actually put some decorative balls in here if you wanted to, or some fruit. You could make it a little fruit basket, look really nice on your counter or island or whatever. Or you can do a floral arrangement. There's probably some other things that you could do with it as well. But I just liked it and thought it was a very nice, versatile piece. So that's what I'm thinking of for that piece. The next item that I picked up is one of my favorites, and it's actually sort of kind of something I've been looking for a very long time, but it's not exact, and that is a ginger jar. I have wanted a ginger jar like forever, and I keep thrifting, looking for one, and I can never find one. Now this one was actually a lamp, and the reason I know that is it's got this hole here, and it's got a hole in the top here, and the lid does not come off. So that leads me to believe that this was at some point a lamp and someone took the pieces out of it, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is get some putty for up here and close this off, as well as the hole here, and probably spray paint this again, but I'll probably keep it the blue because I love this blue, and I think it's really pretty. So I'm gonna use this just for an accent piece, and I'm gonna put this in the family room. I'm actually gonna show you a clip of how this will look in the room, because I'm probably not gonna be putting that putty in it right away, so I'll use it for a while. This piece here was $11.99, and as you know, these ginger jars are very expensive. So to find one of this size, even though it's the lid doesn't come off, for $11.99, that is a great deal, great deal. So very happy about that. The next piece I picked up were some candlesticks. Now these I just thought were so unique, candle holders. They were so unique. And I'm gonna be using these in a fall tablescape. I thought the color was really nice, although I may at some point paint them for another use, but initially I'm going to use them right in this color because I just think that they're so different, and it got the little bow on them and this little fringe thing here. I just thought it was really cute for a nice little bohemian type look. Now these are metal too, so they're pretty sturdy and just very cute. Nice little detail on the base. But that's what I picked these up for, a fall tablescape, so stay tuned. That'll be coming up really soon, because can you believe it? We're already almost into fall. That's crazy. Speaking of fall, the next item that I picked up was an actual pumpkin vase. Now this came with this potpourri in it. I will be removing that and cleaning this out on the inside. I've already disinfected everything on the outside, but I'll be taking everything out of this. And I will be incorporating this into a fall vignette or something. And I don't know what I'll put in it. I was thinking maybe making it a little cookie jar. But anyway, I thought it was cute. Very nice little pumpkin shape. It was $5.99 and then with the 25% off. So nice sturdy piece of glass. Thought it was nice. The next items that I picked up is moving on into Christmas. So I found these red canister sets, which I thought would be perfect for my coffee bar during the winter season or Christmas season. And these were only $2.99. And there's 3 of them of different sizes, but they are really nice. I may give these a coat of red paint just because I would like to see them a little bit more vibrant, although these are in pretty good shape. They're mainstays, which I believe is a Walmart brand, but they're in really good shape. And then here's the small one here. So I just thought they were perfect for the holiday season that will be upon us before we know it. If you've been to Hobby Lobby, you've already seen they've got Christmas stuff already out. So time is moving along. The next piece I picked up was just a single red bowl that I just thought was really cute. And this was $2. Just kind of a clear red bowl, nothing extra, kind of has a unique shape to it, but thought I'd use this at some point during the Christmas holiday as well, just because of the color. And the last little item I picked up is just a little teeny bird cage that I thought was just adorable, and this one was $2 as well. And I definitely will be incorporating this into a vignette. Just thought it was cute, and it opens up here. So I can put some type of decor in here. And of course this is paintable, so I can use it in the black during the winter season, and I can spray paint it white and use it again in the spring. So I like pieces that can carry you through the year with just a little bit of paint. So those are the items. I want to give you an update of an item that I picked up last week from the thrift store that I kind of upcycled. So I'm going to share that with you to show you how I incorporated that. And I'm going to show you what I do with the ginger jar. So I just decided to set it right here next to this table that I have, where most of its thrifted cousins are already here. The vase that's up under the table, both of them are actually thrifted. And this little piece is thrifted, and this piece here is thrifted. So now I have my thrifted ginger jar sitting there until I get the putty and fill in the top. It'll just sit right there, and that's the look. Now, when I originally thrifted that table, it was purple, and I used it as a purple table for several years in my kitchen, and then decided to repurpose it. So I spray painted it silver and blue, and that's how I'm using it now. Also, if you watched my thrift haul last week, I picked up these candlesticks that I really love the shape and look of them, but they were in pretty beat up shape in that they needed some fresh paint. It was a simple fix. So I bought them, and I just put on a fresh coat of black spray paint, some black matte spray paint. They had a little gold trim around them, detailing, and that's what really attracted me to them. So after I painted them black, then I had to add that back on there. So that was really fun to do, and very, very simple to do. I had a wonderful day outside to get the spray paint on. So that was the first step. Once that dried, then I could go in with the silver and the paintbrush and just kind of put that trim back on. Spray paint is my best friend. I'm just learning to just take things, and when you get tired of them, just kind of change the entire look of them, or repurpose them, or upcycle things. Spray paint is a wonderful thing. So now I've got them all dry here, and they're just sitting. You can still see some of the gold that was on there, because I tried to keep that as much as I can just so that I could see where I needed to go back in. So that's the next step, is to take them in the house and get that part back on. So now I have them all painted up, and you can see that I have my gold paint out there, and I'm just going to go in and just kind of fill that in so that they look like new again. Now I know I'm going to end up using these candlesticks quite a bit in different places of my home. I may even at some point spray paint them white. I can see them in white looking very pretty. I can see using them on an entryway table, on a tablescape. I don't have a mantle, but they would be perfect for a mantle. But how I'm displaying them right now is in a guest bedroom. It's candlesticks on the dresser. So you see here that they're all done. Don't look too closely at the gold paint because my hand is not that sturdy, but I still think they turned out pretty nice. I really do like the look of them, and they are perfect for this bedroom for right now. So I'm just going to put them on that dresser, and I have 2 candles that I already had that I just put on there, and that's going to be their first home for a little while until I decide to move them. One thing I do with my decor is I move it all over the house all the time. That's just what I do. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have for today. This is a lifestyle channel, and over here I do a lot of thrift hauls. I do some upcycles. I do shopping hauls, home decor, cooking vlogs, and travel vlogs. If that's something that you're interested in, please don't leave today without hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you're a returning guest, I thank you so very much for stopping back by and seeing what I have going on over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Hope to see you back here next time. Bye-bye.